Hello. To all the precious people all over the world, welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss. Today is part 3 of our grooming our precious fur babies. This is the newly rescued kitten last night. And I have to give his name next week. Next week when he or she would be able to survive. Let's see if it's a girl or a boy. I think it's a boy. A boy ba? Murag boy. Kay layo man ukuan. Have to clean first his face. Ano man na? Away ka? Ha? Away ikaw? Lunch break bitaw na sila sa ilang pwesto.
Wow.
37 na lang. Gawa na sa una eh.
Gaputo gatos. Imitahan man nila nga. Gamay ra sa kayo.
Para dali rasad. Mahuman. Good boy ikaw ha. We suspect that this one is a brother of fish. Because I remember that there are only 2 of them. An orange one and a black and white one. So we will brush him. Para makuha imong mga hugaw. A very playful one. Diam. Yay! Burst tummy ang titi. Kaluoy ka gamay. Burst tummy ang titi. Nana sa itik oh. Tara oh. Magani diri sud. Bawas na ba?
Messenger.
Nana ko yung message.
Muna di naman matingo.
Ay.
Messenger.
Ito na siyang tingo. Clean your ear. Imuhang kuan tagasad. Ni, sa tabi paklo. Ay, tara na. Paklo. Hi, Mingming. Hello na. Ayaw sa paklo sa. Tadali na paklo lang. Oh, wala man awaya eh, wala. Yab manggod na. Yab na ti Mingming. Sige na tarong. Oh, wow. Away ikaw. Wala na away. Wala na away. Yab lang na Mama Kiss. Yab. Oh, yab ang Mingming. Pikas damot. Yab man na.
Lasa eh.
Kay ginako hastang ang tiil. Kalinis. Sige na. Damay lang man. Sige na. Waf. Wala na. Hi. Ay, ginoo ko. May na lang. Last na nga diri. Away ka. Ayaw awaya Mama Kiss. Ayaw awaya ang Mingming. Tiil. Dali. Hi. Nang lang yung uptake kay magpahinay-hinay way mahimo.
Dunggan.
Ear cleaning.
I think that it's good to watch on TV or on your phone or via the computer, but then being there, it gives you a different
Yay.
perspective on the whole event. But yes, you've heard of my football teammate.
Mga watchers, participants sa Simulog, no? Some are indeed at home, some are
It's hard because we don't have the cotton buds anymore.
on the streets. I've been also like, some updates. Kung sila yung mga initially like sa, kung gawin na ang matadili sa kanyang boulevard, o usa sa mga gihuwat ng mga ipahigayon karon sa kada Simulog, unsa pa man kung dili
Man na.
nasa
It's our beautiful girl. Kisses. Brushing time. Brush naman na kisses. Nalay pa ka pinstim.